Hey Aaron, what are the 5 S's of birding? The 5 S's of birding? So glad you asked. Hey everyone, I'm Aaron. I'm a senior environmental scientist and a lifelong birder. Let's chat about the 5 S's of birding. The 5 S's of birding are a tool to help you sort of train your mind to categorize what you're looking at when you go birding to help you identify a bird. So the 5 S's are size, shade, shape, sound, and space. Size is pretty straightforward. How big is this bird? Are we talking a bush tit? Are we talking a goose? Now, a fair warning about size. I think this is probably the least important of the 5 because it's the least reliable. Size on a bird, it's really hard to judge. How close, how far from you are the bird? It's going to change how big it looks. Is the bird slimmed down with all of its feathers, or is it all puffed up? It's going to change how the bird appears. Size is a tricky one. So of the 5, this is the one to be the most cautious of. Shade, I'll grant you, is a bit of a stretch. Coloration. What shade of colors are we talking about? And not just bright, dark, but what colors? Yellow, blue, red. What colors are we talking about that you're seeing on this bird? The third S is shape. And I would argue this is one of the most important because every bird has its own unique shape. And there are many, many times when you can identify a bird just from its silhouette, just from other aspects of its shape alone. Even if you have nothing else going on, shape is hugely important. You can tell a warbler from a wren based on its shape. You can tell different types of hawks from each other based just on their shape. Shape is super important. And then there's sound. What are the noises that a bird is making? These can be the complex vocalizations that are musical, otherwise known as songs. These can be the simpler vocalizations that birds make, usually called calls. But these can also be the non-vocal sounds that birds make. Bill snaps, sounds produced by wing or tail feathers, drumming, hammering, lots and lots of noises that birds make, and they can all be very useful when trying to identify a bird. And then there's space. Where is a bird living? What space is it occupying? And this can both be in terms of what type of habitat is a bird living in, and also where geographically, what kind of geographical space are we talking about? Which part of a continent? Are you in the eastern US, the western US? That's going to play a big role when you're trying to identify a bird. So there you have them, the 5 S's of birding. I hope that you found this video informational and helpful. I hope that when you are going out birding, you're able to think about these 5 S's and use them when you're trying to identify what birds you're encountering. As always, thank you very much for the view, and until next time, enjoy the natural world.